Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is I, the real Princey, Princess P, Princey in a real life, you don't know. And it is Make It Monday. And today I'm going to show you guys how I repurposed these balloons. I had these balloons for my son's birthday, this long balloon garland, and I made it into a balloon wall. So let's get into how I did that. And before I do, let me invite everybody, we ain't excluding nobody, we all inclusive, baby, to stay with me. Please go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, all of that good stuff. Do it. All right, about them balloons. So what I've done is I've taken all these balloons out of my home and I've brought it over to my godson's house, and we are doing a Paw Patrol theme. So these balloons just by chance ended up working color wise. I had these balloons since December and I did this installation in February. So them balloons been holding up for 2 months, baby, like legit. Okay, so all I did was take them apart and I put them back together, put them up on my stand. My stand was a little bit rickety. I am due for a new one, but I'm just working with what we got right now. And this is basically how that went. I dismantled a lot of the balloons because I had some 5-inch balloons tied in. I didn't want those until the end. I took some pieces apart because I wanted the colors different, whatnot, and so forth. All in all, take a look, let me know what you think. I know I would have done this differently if I was doing it from scratch, but so far from what I did here, it worked. It was beautiful for the day, and I think I did an okay job. You tell me otherwise if you think so. Take a look and I'll be back. Don't forget to stay with me, guys. Stay with me. Like, subscribe, comment, share, all of that good stuff in that order. Do it. So I hope you guys learned something. Maybe you got a little inspo. These are repurposed balloons. They were 2 months old, hanging on my wall, and I was able to reuse them and make this beautiful balloon wall for a Paw Patrol themed birthday. We added a couple more things to it by the end of it, but this was the foundation. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here. You done know so real recognize real in our real life. Big up all of my real ones. From the bottom of my heart, it is me on a Make It Monday, baby. The Real Princey. Bye.